Alright, this is Fun with Electronics, Project 2, Part 1D. So for this part, we're adjusting the stage a bit. We're mainly the LED placement. So this is the new configuration, and that was done in hardware for both stages, for the red stage and the blue stage, which I like to call it. And we're still using the same RC configuration, the RC parameters, 3.3 microfarads and 100 kilo ohm. Yep. And we'll just turn the circuit on, see if the new configuration works. Alright. Looks like it's working. And we're still using 9 volts as our power supply, as our source. And looking at the oscilloscope, okay, we're seeing some switching. Yeah. And my best guess for the difference in peaks is because of the different turn-on voltage these LEDs need in order to turn on. Yeah. So it works. Switching. So, alright. So we have channel 1 connected to the positive side of the LED, which is the cathode, and channel 2 connected to the positive side of the blue LED. Yep. Pretty cool. In hindsight, the blue LED's forward voltage is higher than the forward voltage of the red LED. So that's why in the oscilloscope, the green channel, which is connected to the blue LED, is higher. Its peak is higher than the red LED. So yeah.